So here you can see this little fake database I made for using in this video with some basic logistic data in it. And if you want to make a fixed scroll bar in a dashboard, here is what you have to do. In any dashboard I made, I like to make it less like a spreadsheet, so I use a picture with a simple color as a background and remove the grid lines. Then you should go to Developer Tools on the ribbon, click Insert and choose the scroll bar. You can immediately place it anywhere on the spreadsheet. Right-click on it, you can choose Format Control to set the details, but I will show it later. Now I check how much item I have on the list. It is 66, and I want to show it on a 15 cell long range on another spreadsheet. So I go to Format Control and set the max value on 50, so we will be able to see the whole list on a 15 cell high range. And then in the first cell I write the function offset, which is basically copies data from a range, which row and column you want the data from. So I choose the first cell from the pivot header and later modify the row or the column to see if it works. As you can see, the offset function is not linked to the scroll bar, so I go to the format center of the scroll bar and set the cell link into one of the cells next to the table, R1 in our case. It will show the current row position of the scroll bar. Then I click to the offset function and change the row parameter to cell R1. And of course we have to change the minimum value to 1 in the scroll bar setup because we choose the header as a reference in the offset function. Lock the cell link in the offset function. Now we can copy our function into the full area. Give a little shine to it. And we have a fully operating scroll bar within the spreadsheet. Quickly check if it shows all items from the pivot. If not, then simply just add few lines to the maximum value of the scroll bar. Now you see all items. And if you want to make this part of your dashboard more interactive and interesting, you can simply add a slicer to the pivot.